Hey, what's up guys? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. Hope everybody had a great Christmas. In this video, we're working on a 99 Rodeo, the big off-road vehicle. Customer's complaint was driving on the interstate, it started having lack of power, misfiring, and bucking. So he was able to get it to me without having it towed in. And I did confirm, I took it for a drive, there was no power and I could hear it backfiring through the intake. So one of the first things I did was immediately I pulled the plugs to take a look at it. When I pulled the plugs on the right side bank, they looked like this. Pretty decent. Pulled them on the left side, they looked like this. All carboned up, black, like it's been running really rich. So I checked the fuel injectors. Each one was firing correctly. There was no misfires there. So sitting here, I started it up and went ahead and started revving up the engine, and you could hear it backfiring through the intake, almost like it was exhausting. And then I could start to smell the fumes, the exhaust fumes. So immediately I said, let's go ahead and check the converters out. Let me show you how I did that. We're gonna start up the car first. Go ahead and get this thing up in the air. All right, what I did was I grabbed the snap-on as a thermal imager, and I started with the right side over here, catalytic converter, because the right side bank was doing good. So I said, let's get a good reading and see what that is. All right, cut it on, see what we got here. All right, if I'm looking right here, that is 238, 245 degrees. The middle part is 267. And the back half is I'll lock up on me now. 245. So we're at 245 highest. 274, 30 degrees difference. 247, so that's pretty equal. That's within tolerance. But check this side out. This side here we're hitting at 165 degrees, 137 degrees, and 90 degrees. Look right here. You can even see it's blue. So that's where your clog is. Look right here. Again, we're gonna go back one more time. So 140 degrees, that's already not low enough. If I pull that trigger right there, it takes a picture so I can show the customer. And 88 degrees. So after taking the readings, you can obviously see it's a catalytic converter on the left side, but I did take it one step further. The oxygen sensor right here, I took that out. And by taking that sensor out, you're kind of like bypassing the converter. I took it for a drive and it flew like a racehorse. It was absolutely perfect. So I'm gonna price out a converter to this. We don't do a lot of exhaust here, converters that is. I do other types of exhaust work, and I'm gonna see roughly what it costs to get it done. We'll get it on there, take it for a test drive, and this job will be done. Catch you in a bit. So let's take a look and see what the heck all this noise is. This was that wreck I was working on with the left suspension, and my guy is now taking apart the front end. We're gonna go back with new parts. It's got a little bit of body work to do here on the fender. We'll do that and get it painted and get this one out the door, and I'll show you what this one looks like when it's all done. He's, watch this. Woo. Gotta say hi. This guy here is a great employee. He's been with me about 20 years. He's deaf and he can't talk, but he's a real good worker. This is what it sounds like when the exhaust is hooked up and the O2 sensor is hooked back up. You can actually hear it exhausting. What that is That's the exhaust coming back this way through the intake and out the breather. All right, guys, just picked it up from the muffler shop. Like I said earlier, I don't do a lot of catalytic converters. I do other exhaust work like manifolds and mufflers and things. I just don't like to mess with catalytic converters. There's too many variations and too many things you need to have for that. So I use a muffler shop up the street, and they just put a universal one in it for me. And this thing is driving nice. I'm at 45 miles an hour. There's no bucking. Got it up to about 60, looking good. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. I appreciate you watching. Catch you later.